Equipment delivery. So there is no long lead items. Only this coriolis meters are long lead, or this is out of long lead.
This is long lead, you may say, yeah, because this will involve actually the packager will basically provide all these instruments as prefabricated assembly. So you may, if with the context of the project, I think you should consider it long lead, but depends on what is the definition of long lead in this case. You are taking 6 months, or more than 6 months, or less than 6 months.
See what I mean. What is our responsibility here? Our responsibility is and all the materials should be in place before we start the shutdown activity.
Yes.
And our schedule should not be impacted in terms of constructability point of view. So I don't think even you have the long lead item, but once you receive the coriolis meter, then only you start the shutdown, right?
Yes, yes,
So there is no
yes,
major concern. I would say no major
yes,
concern.
yes.
Permit for transport of any authorities, no, there is no major concern. And contractor is going to use the road safety procedure and no major concern. Storage preservation, as we have mentioned that, this will be stored as per the EPC guideline and OEM guideline, and we don't need any special kind of storage and handling. Communication point of view, procedure shall be established in the contractor to coordinate with the PNC and company. Radios will be there and EX approved mobile will be there. This is the same thing what we discuss in our package 2. Transition services, availability of permanent temporary power. So yes, procedure shall be established by EPC contractor in coordination with the PNC company. Contractor will use DG set, right? You are definitely company